Turn around and die. I'm gonna be reacting to this guy reacting to an animation versus math video by Alan Becker, Oxford University mathematician.
Hello, math fans. Dr. Tom Crawford.
Shut.
1 does equal 1.
Wait, what? I didn't fucking know. Wait, no, that's wrong. Ain't 1 plus 1 like fit?
Okay.
Stop looking at the camera like that. No. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 divided by... Fuck.
Is this going to test my mental arithmetic?
You're gonna test my patience.
Ooh, and a 20. Okay.
Wait, 10? Wait, how does that equal 10?
It's just going to count to infinity. Okay. Alright, so we're on triple figures. We've got up to 100. He looks pretty tired.
Pain.
Now he's subtracting.
That's tough. Hey, yo. Hey, yo.
Ooh.
What happened?
Ooh.
What the fuck is that?
So the -1 became e to the I pi.
What does that mean?
So
What does that
Euler's
mean?
identity. So I
who the fuck?
e to the I pi plus 1 is equal to 0. So here...
Fuck off, I don't care. It don't love you, bro.
Okay, E's running away, as it does. Who doesn't get annoyed when they lose their E, right?
Ha 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 ha! Shut the fuck. I could have gone to this guy's video to react to it. Just fucking like, I'm just insulting him. I don't care, bro. I'm in the viewer's position. I'm your average viewer. Wait, no. Wait, isn't it?
Ooh, he's figured out multiplication.
What the fuck?
Interesting.
Okay, my brain can understand what's happening currently.
Now we've got...
I'm lost. I'm lost. I mean, I'm lost. I don't know what the f.
We're gonna pause again. Interesting that we...
What? Okay, now I'm really lost.
Ooh. Dividing by 0. That's not gonna end well. Glad he figured that out and stopped that one early. Powers, okay.
Tough.
Indices coming in, nice, yep. Properties.
How you can do that? Mama.
Square root, fractional powers.
I know what a square root is, but like the other thing.
Root 2. Ah.
How the fuck?
We have I. So after e to the I pi appeared, after Euler's identity, a good 2 and a bit minutes later, when we do now have square root -1 is I. Okay, so we've got complex numbers. All right.
Oh god, no. Oh, that's so cringe. Is that like his signature thing? Wine time? Shut the f. What is happening, bro? I don't know what the f.
Oh. Okay. I cubed written as actually minus I, but what they've done there is written it as I times e to the I pi.
I haven't like. I'm in senior high school and I haven't met anything like this yet.
because
I don't think.
minus and if you replace
Hey, fuck you, bro. I got a 50. I got a 15 out of.
with e to the I pi. Okay, so Euler's identities come back. Nice. Okay, but powers of complex numbers. This is good. This is good. Like where this is going. 10 minutes to go. And I see the E has come back. It's not hiding anymore. Oh no, it's running away. Sorry, too soon.
This is domestic abuse. Hey, yo.
Oh, little flash there. Formula. So e to the I pi was very briefly replaced there by the
Why? What? I have never seen anything like this in my life. This pi plus isn't pi.
cos pi plus I sine pi. So that's generally true. Euler's formula says e to the I theta is equal to
Theta? Y'all are just adding Greek letters.
it for that one.
That's like beyond infinity.
Nice little arc of a circle, love it.
Nah, bro's cheating. Oh no. He got the cross. This is such a shit video.
You know, doing addition and subtraction was a great fun start. 1 plus 1 is easily my favorite problem of all time.
It's 3.
The second is bad. Doing
What?
addition and subtraction worksheets were so fire because I would always just breeze through that stuff.
Facts.
And then I would
Totally,
hit a
me
problem,
too, bro. Totally, me too.
Like 127 minus 48.
79. 79 total.
And I was like, oh snap, now it's a real challenge. And it had me using 20% of my brain power. Trying
You're not allowed to skip over that. What is this, my guy? Hey, yep.
to solve this problem. But at the time, I was still having fun with it. It was still easy while also having a little
Facts,
challenge.
totally.
It's like video games. You don't want them to be too easy all the way out. You want little challenges scattered throughout the game.
Speak
to
for
keep it
yourself.
interesting. That's how I felt learning addition and subtraction, and I felt that even more when learning multiplication.
Oh,
Bruh,
God.
doing multiplication back then was so fun. I was a multiplication god. Whenever I was handed those 50-question multiplication sheets back then in elementary school,
Let me see if I can do all of these. Hold on.
I would speed run that in 5 minutes or less and get everything right. I felt
Cap.
like Jimmy Neutron, the boy genius.
Cap.
Except I had a bigger head. Multiplication was so fun that I would legit be doing it during my free time. I remember one time I was at church and I got bored because it was church. So I pulled
Facts.
out a notebook
Agreed.
and wrote down a random multiplication problem I ain't even know. 16 times 16.
I don't know.
I spent the next 10 minutes solving that problem with no calculator, and I
Cap.
got 256. I was so smart, man. What other third grader knows 16 times 16 out the jump other than me? Someone could have a gun to my head and tell me what's 16 times 16. You have 2 seconds to answer. 2 seconds? Man, I'll answer that in 0.2 seconds. 256. Ain't nobody could solve multiplication like me. I'm the multiplication god. 100 times 100, 10,000.
Hold on there, Bucket. Hey, Siri. What's 100 times 100?
100 times 100 is 10,000.
Well, fuck you.
10,000 times 10,000, 20,000.
Alright, bro. What's 10,000 times 10,000?
It's 100 million.
Haha, you're fucking retarded.
Man, I'm like Albert Einstein. When math was like that, simple and easy to understand, it was fun. I love that kind of math. So to the
Thanks.
person that created those basic math formulas, thank you. And to the people that created everything else, you could suck a horse cock! After multiplication and decimals, math was never the same again, cause they started adding all of this extra shit. The decay started with fractions. Fractions were easy at first because I was just converting them to decimals to get the answers.
Facts.
But then they started asking for fractions as answers. And I just can't do that. That's not how my brain operates. I convert numbers to the shit I actually see in day-to-day life. If something costs $20, I'm not gonna be like, that costs 5, 150 over $10.
Facts.
I'm not gonna be like that. Why do I have to put this in fraction form when I put the same answer in decimal form?
Yeah.
You're making this harder on purpose. And it continued to get harder and harder with
Oh, they say, oh, you're gonna need this in life. Tell me, how the fuck am I gonna need that in life?
graphing, square roots, functions. Like, is this even math anymore? And it just hit a slump when they started adding letters to math. Like, letters are in the alphabet. Like, they're not numbers.
Yeah.
Why are they in equations? This shit don't add up. Who did this? Fran.
Fuck that guy, bro.
This nigga ruined math for me. I remember when they first started teaching us letters in math. I thought letters represented the number in the alphabet
Oh, no,
the letters
buddy.
at. Like
Oh,
A
no,
equals
buddy.
1, B equals
Oh,
2,
you wish.
C equals 3,
You wish.
and so on. So when the teacher presented a problem like this,
I know how to do this. Okay, look. So basically, you draw a line right here, right? Right here and right here. This is how my private teacher taught me. Then 5, 5. Right? So basically divide. And this disappears. Just gone. Make it disappear. Then, and this becomes 100. So B equals 100. I know my shit, bro. Don't test me, bro.
what does B equal? I was always like, B equals 2, obviously. But then the answer would be like, B equals 100. And I'm all like, no it doesn't. How does it equal 100? There's at most 30 to 40 letters in the alphabet, not 100 letters. How does B equal 100? And I never recovered since. I still don't understand how B equals 100. Like, y'all just making stuff up at this point. It's the second letter in the alphabet. That means it's 2.
Doesn't work like
But you
that,
know what
bro.
I hate the most in math? The subject that really messed me up? Algebra. Algebra was an all-in-one nut to your
Hey, yo.
face. It had all the bullshit in it. Graphing, shapes, letters, roots, and all this other garbage. And the worst ones yet, sine, cosine, and tan, or what quirky teachers like to call it, Sacagawea. Whenever I see any of these in my math, I know I'm gonna get it wrong. So why even bother doing it or trying? But you know, we always gotta
Show your work? Oh my God.
when solving a problem that I don't even know in the first
Facts.
place. So what work am I gonna show? And even if I did know the answer, why do I have to show work? If it's a problem I could just type in a calculator, then ain't no reason for me to show
Facts.
work. The calculator is my work. Man, to the dude that created algebra, Muhammad.
What the
I ain't
fuck?
even gonna try to say the rest of it. That's gonna cast a
That's
spell
more
on
than
me.
a spell, bro.
But in the afterlife, I know every high school student is jumping your ass right now.
I'ma join them, bro.
join
I'ma
when my
join
day
them.
Comes to, I'ma give that nigga purple nurples and wet
Hey,
willies.
yo.
Thank God I wasn't smart enough to take calculus, cause I know if I did, I would have been crying at my desk every test. But I feel like y'all got the gist of it. I'm pretty sure y'all hate math too.
Yeah.
Science is a close second.
Yeah.
I ain't even gonna try to take too much of your time. So, in conclusion, Neil deGrasse Tyson can go eat my ass.
Supposed to be here.